Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Remington Rapid Cut Ultimate Haircut Kit. So apparently these are really good for buzz cuts and if you have short hair. So let me just open this up. As you can see, it's nicely packaged. And the blade for this is actually curved and it's a lot wider. So apparently it's meant to make it so much easier and quicker to cut your hair, especially if you have short hair and you want a buzz cut. Let me just open this up. Okay, so yeah, this is packaged so well that I can't even remove it. Maybe I'll just remove it from the bottom. So I guess this is not only an unboxing video, but it's also how to remove the items from a box. Yes, it looks like it's a bit of a challenge, especially if you don't know what you're doing, if you haven't done this before. Guess I've got no choice and just remove it from the bottom, unless I break the box open. Okay, let's go through the bottom. Might need a scissor to just remove this. I'll speed this up. Cutting through. So I've never used one of these before. First time, but I've been told that it's actually pretty good. Yeah, this is the second generation. The first generation is actually pretty good. So there's all these little packets here. Feels like it's the comb. There's a bag here. A travel bag. Oh my gosh. Seems so difficult just to open the box. Okay, here we go. Almost there. This is a bit embarrassing. And here we go. Okay, so taking the items from the bottom. So it looks like this is a straight razor. And this is the curved one. It is quite wide. It does fit in your palm. Just the Remington. It's got a little lever here. I'm assuming you can change the head. So this is the curved head. And then there's also the smaller narrow head. Okay, this on and off switch. There's two speeds. One's really fast. And one's just a normal speed. So there's two speeds. Looks like it's already fully charged. Okay, so it's in these bags. It's quite a lot of bags. Okay, so this is the charger. So you can charge it here. Okay, I wish it had a USB option. Oh, here we go. This is a USB option. For the connector, it makes more sense to put a USB. You can just bring that along and charge it. You don't have to bring the whole power supply. What are these? Okay, different size clips. So this one's looks like it must be for doing the sides. Just looking at the shapes, it's the sides and different thicknesses. Yep, so you can see that there's these different numbers. Should correspond to a particular size. And there's more here. Okay, these are the smaller ones. It must be for the straight clip. Also different sizes. Because this is more your standard clips. Now let me try to just change the head. So that should just replace it there. Okay, it's just slide up. Pretty straightforward. Push down and then slide up. Slide down. Oh, nice and easy to change. Oh, yep, there you go. This is for straight edge. I guess if you want better precision, you can go with this. And these are the clips. Let's see how these attach. Are they easy to attach? Looks a little bit. Yeah, just push it in and then push it out. Oh, just like your normal standard clips. There's quite a lot of clips actually. A lot of accessories. Don't even know whether I'll be using all of these. I usually just do a number 1 around the whole head. All these sizes. Don't really know when I'll be using some of them. Okay, so the back here, it's got the actual size. So 2 mils, 1.5 mils. It goes up by 0.5 mil. This one 2.5. 3 mil. 4.5 mil. Just different sizes. This one here, 3 mil. Okay, just from the picture, yep, this is for the sides. I think one's for left and one's for right. It shows you in the picture. So this is for the right hand side of your head. And this is different thicknesses. 9 mil, 6 mil. So this was a number 2, according to the number there. Okay, so a lot of clips. Oh, here we got another bag. think these are the more thicker ones as well. So many accessories. Yeah, number 5, number 7. Different thicknesses. Number 6, 18 mils, 25 mils. Okay, there's so many. I wouldn't even really use these ones. Okay, let me put the wide one. So as you can see, this is quite wide. So I guess it makes sense to, if you actually have a bulk cart or buzz cart, you can actually make it quicker.